Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics. App updated and your phone already registered with a fingerprint. Open UBL Digital and sign in with your credentials. If you use biometric login already, go directly to Settings Security. Once in Security, tap Fingerprint to start enrollment within the app. Make sure your phone screen is awake and your finger clean. This avoids repeated scans. You do not need to re-enter Scenic now, but keep your registered mobile nearby for verification prompts. You will see step-by-step prompts inside the app. Place the same finger on the sensor when instructed, lift when prompted, and repeat until the progress bar completes. The app asks for a device PIN or password to confirm consent and link the biometric to your UBL profile. Enter it when requested. While scanning, use consistent pressure and angle to capture multiple areas of the fingerprint. Once the app confirms enrollment, give it a moment to sync. This ensures UBL servers recognize the new biometric token. To finish, log out and attempt to log in using the fingerprint option. This verifies end-to-end functionality. If the fingerprint is rejected, first re-enroll that finger in your phone settings and delete any duplicate or partial scans, then repeat the app setup. Make sure screen protectors or wet fingers aren't interfering. Dry, clean skin improves read success. If errors persist, note any error code and contact UBL support so they can check server device binding and resolve token issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.